Okay, here's a little launcher I've been working on. It uses the games list and screenshots from bbcmicro.co.uk, and it just lets you page through all the pages of games. You get a little description at the top, again from that website. You can launch it from the keyboard. The flickering's down to Allegro that I'll try and get rid of. It's not a great joystick, but it's good enough for the demonstration. So here I've mapped the joystick to be Z and X, and slash and colon, which is what this game needs. My PC's got a bit of a stutter if you're wondering where that came from. But the idea is you can map any of the buttons on the joystick to be any of the buttons, any key on the keyboard in the BBC. You can quit the emulator with the joystick and choose a different game, launch that, and each game's configurable. There's a CSV file, tells it where to get the screenshot from, which disk's image to load, and how to configure the keyboard. So here this is return, this is shift, that one's space, and these are Z and X. So the idea is that if you've got a MAME cabinet running Windows, or I guess it could easily be ported to something else, the launcher's only a couple of pages of code, along with all the joystick code. The changes to BM rather, are a bit custom, but could easily be applied somewhere else. And when you're finished, you can quit the launcher back to whatever your main front screen is, or because the CSV files only hold well, it's the joystick file, so this is the name that you specify in the CSV file. Joystick left presses Z, right presses X. Quit lets you quit the emulator. Here I've mapped this Hori stick to ZX2. I'm not sure what I put 2 there for. Oh, 2 buttons. The Hori stick, because it's PS3 version, actually the joystick appears as the POV. So here we map the POV left, right, up and down to be ZX quote and slash. This is button 12, the PlayStation button, so we quit with that. Button 0, enter, button 3, shift, and if you have a different type of joystick, it'll take the name from Windows, so you can have this for the Hori stick, you can map another joystick to other buttons, and you can have 2 joysticks at once, as many joysticks as you've got. You can plug in at once and it will map them to whatever you need them for whichever game you're using. The actual CSV file for the games, if I can find it. Excel wasn't the best choice for that since the license has expired. But just has this lets you sort the disks, so setting it to 0 says hide it, and then any other numbers just sort numerically, and within that alphabetically by title. The description is the description it puts at the top of the screen. Command is what it uses to actually run whichever X it is you want for that game, so some can be BM, some can be BBEM. You could use it as a front end for anything else if you really wanted. And screenshot is just the JPEG or PNG or whatever image that you want to show against that game. So that's really it. Not much to the code, like I said. Sorry about this low resolution, that's just for this TV. That's it. Thank you for looking.